So here's the grease trap for this building, for this restaurant. You can see there's 2 manhole covers. There's supposed to be. It's only 1 tank. There's a dividing wall in between the 2 sides. But as you can see, the outgoing side has a lot of grease in it. And that means it's in desperate need of service. There shouldn't be that much grease in there. Maybe a little, not that much. And on this side, this is the inlet side. You can see the debris is so thick in there that I don't know if I could stand on it, but it's definitely not been maintained in quite a long time. But Murphy's Cesspool is here to take care of that. We'll have a truck here in no time to maintenance this system and get it back in compliance with the health department. You can see where it comes out of the wall there. Thanks for watching our video. Choose Murphy's Cesspool for your septic and cesspool needs. And any grease trap or dry well work, storm drains. Thank you.